Good morning, good morning, good morning. We out here in BELLE, MEADE, Tennessee. We're about to do this Porsche Cayenne right here. We at the first stop. It's a beautiful day outside today.
It would turn into sunshine.
Just the car we about to do right here. I'm about to do this Porsche. I'm about to start on it. I haven't did anything at all. So, like I said, it's nice and clear outside. But yeah, we about to go ahead and do this Porsche. Rennie already started, like usual, on the interior. It's not usually that dirty. It only be dirty usually where she sit at. She usually have a little dog hair in here, because she got a dog, but I don't see any dog hair, so I guess she don't let the dog in this car. I'm not 100% sure. But I appreciate everybody this morning. Today a glorious day. Got to be blessed for what we got. Gratitude. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started. And make sure you hit the subscribe button, them likes, them shares, and definitely leave a comment. All right, good morning, good morning. We just finished this Porsche Cayenne GTS. Everything's nice and clean, windows, wheels, whole 9 yards, and the inside of the wheels. So, you know, cause these cars get heavy brake dust. But yeah, the car clean all the way around, in and out. Master technician Rennie doing his thing in his inside, as always. You know, so it's nice and clean in the inside. Yeah, like I said, it's the Porsche Cayenne GTS 2020. Nice and clean. We about to head to this next stop, which is not too far from here. Gonna text her now, let her know we on our way. All right, good afternoon, good afternoon. We out here at the second stop. We finna do this Nissan. No, this is an Infiniti. Yeah, it's an Infiniti. I forgot Nissan in it. Nissan are made by Infiniti, so that's what threw me off. I thought it was a Nissan Pathfinder because we so used to doing a Nissan Pathfinder. But right now we're doing a Nissan QX60 right here, car right here. So go ahead and knock it out. This little girl keep following me. Yes. But we're about to go ahead and do this. Car Rennie already in the interior. A little dusty wusty in here.
Dusty wusty?
Yeah.
It smells like sugar.
This interior needs a real good leather conditioner, because if you notice, got that ashy look like always, you know. But that's when people don't treat their leather, treat their vinyl and plastic like that. They just let it get like this. Even though I clean their cars sometimes, I try to explain to these people they need to add leather conditioner and let me, you know, spruce these panels up sometimes. Because it, like I said, got that ashy look. But other than that, Rennie already in there. Rennie, you got a word for the day, man?
Hey, the word for the day is hopelessness. How y'all doing?
Hopeless?
Hopeless. Is it hopeless?
I mean, shit, hopeless mean we ain't got no chance, man.
Hey, hope.
Well, we did hope not too long ago. We did hope the other day, so we gotta come up with another word. So today, I think the word of the day gonna be commitment. Yeah, the word of the day gonna be commitment. We're gonna be committed to keeping these people satisfied with the way we service them, and we definitely gonna hope y'all stay committed with hitting that subscribe button, committed to hitting them likes, and committed to leaving a comment. But other than that, Rennie, the word of the day, commitment. And you see Rennie, he already committed to getting the inside of the car clean, and this girl is committed to keep following me. If she don't stop following me, I'm gonna be committed to make her go sit down. We're gonna go ahead and get this car started, and I appreciate everybody, and I catch y'all on the rebound. All right, good afternoon. We just finished this Infiniti right here. We in Green Hills right now. Rennie finished the inside. Inside looks good. Yeah, I'm gonna pull it in. Whole 9 yards. Windows nice and clean. Yeah, we done with this Infiniti. All right, we on this third car, this Subaru. think it's an Outback. I'm not 100% sure, but we already washed it. About to dry it off. Get the windows, get the wheels. Rennie already started on the interior of the car. He already knocked this side out. So you can see what it's looking like prior to what it looked like. So, like I say, about to dry it off real quick and knock this out. I'll catch you in a second. All right. Good afternoon. Yeah, we just finished this Subaru Crosstrek. We out here in Green Hills, Tennessee. This is the last car today. We had one more, but she rescheduled for tomorrow. And I actually got to go get my kids too, so I think I may not have time. But it's all done, windows, wheels, everything's completely clean. So like I said, we just finished this car. We actually done for the day. Really almost done over there. We're gonna put the mats back in, put it back in the garage, and it's over for the day. So I appreciate everybody like always. And always, as always mentioned, hit the subscribe button, hit them likes, hit them shares, leave a comment. We gotta do whatever we gotta do to change the algorithm, man. And I appreciate everybody. Have a great day.